Hi everyone, time to learn about our mind. A lot of people suffer from anxiety these days. People have worries, worrying about the future, what if this happens, or what if things do not go as I planned, and then get frustrated, get stuck with unnecessary thoughts. So this is when the meditation comes in, like a cure for the mind problems. When you meditate, you can get rid of your anxiety, and the place where the anxiety disappeared, you will find calmness. This calmness comes from the true mind, and the anxiety comes from the human mind. How about when you are stressed? We get stressed because of many things. It could be regrets from the past event. It could be my inferior mind, always comparing myself with others and suffering from the feeling of not good enough. Or my pride can cause a lot of stress as well. Again, this is when the meditation is needed. Through the practice of meditation, you can eliminate your stress. And where the stressful mind disappeared, you will find freedom, inner peace. This inner peace comes from the true mind. The stress is the product of the human mind. How about questions? Do you have questions you cannot resolve? Have you ever wondered what the truth is? Who am I? What is the reason and purpose of my life or my existence? Why do I exist at all? What is life or death? Again, when you meditate, you will be able to find all the answers. The answers are within you. The answers come from the true mind, and all the questions, doubt, curiosities actually come from the human mind. So why don't we learn about what the true mind actually is and how the human mind works? Understanding this would be the good foundation for your meditation practice if you were to achieve true freedom and happiness. First, the true mind, which you will be able to find when you eliminate the entire human mind. Underneath, there is your true mind, which is this infinite universe emptiness. As you all know, everything comes from the universe, the sun, the moon, the stars, the earth, and humans. This is the origin of everything. This existed forever before, exists now, and will continue to exist forever after. This is a truth. It is never changing and everlasting. Religions will refer to this existence as God, Buddha, Allah. This is your true mind. However, one cannot see this true mind because one's mind is covered by the false human mind. So what is the human mind? Human mind is simply the false picture mind, like a camera taking pictures. Human body takes pictures using its 5 senses and stores the pictures in the brain, in the mind. These pictures are simply pictures, which means they are not real. It is false. Like when you take a picture of the actual money using a camera, the picture that you have is not real money. It is just a picture, right? It is not real. You cannot buy anything using this picture because it is false. Likewise, what we have in our human mind is simply pictures. What kind of pictures do we have? There are 3 things that consist of our human mind, and they are karma, the lived life, habits, and body. Karma is the pictures of the lived life, the videotape of your lived life from childhood to up until now. So if you are 20 years old, you would have a 20-year-long videotape in your mind. If you are 50, you would have a 50-year-long videotape in your mind. So the karma is the pictures of what you experienced since your birth up until now. Then there is what we call habits. These are actually pictures that you've inherited from your parents and ancestors. Like if parents are tall, then the child is likely to be tall. Or if your parents or grandparents have a certain medical conditions, then the child can be more prone to those conditions than others. This is because those physical traits get passed down. Like that, mind traits get passed down as well. So let's say parents have a hot temper. Then it's likely that the child also has the hot temper. The mind traits that you inherit from your parents and ancestors are called habits. Lastly, the body. The body that actually stores the karma and habits. Since birth, we've been constantly taking pictures of this body, thinking that picture of this body is me. But it is again just a picture. This is the human mind, karma, the lived life, habits, and body. Now, to help your understanding a bit better, let me explain the human mind this way. So when we were born, we've been given this body. Now in this body, we've also been given the habits, which are the mind traits that we have inherited from our parents and the ancestors. Then throughout the life we lived, we took pictures and stored them in our mind. This is karma. This is human mind, nothing but pictures. When we say pictures, we are including the thoughts or the associated feelings and emotions. So from these pictures, from this human mind, tens of thousands of thoughts come out. That is a stress. Your anger, anxiety, frustration, negative thoughts, questions, doubts, suspicions, having trouble sleeping. All of them come from the human mind. So in order to be free from all these negative minds and to find our true mind, we need to eliminate the human mind, and we have the 7-step meditation method. So from level 1 to 7, you'll be working on your lived life, the karma. After that, you become the eliminating habits class, where you will be working on the mind of habits and body. So when you discard the entire human mind, you'll be free from all the negative minds, anxiety, and stress. What you will be left with is this infinite universe emptiness, which is the origin, your true mind. When you're reborn from here, when your mind becomes the mind of the universe, you have achieved human completion. This is where you can live a truly happy and fulfilling life as the truth. So why don't you meditate with us? Learn the simple 7-step meditation method to eliminate the human mind and find your true mind so you can live as who you really are, not as a slave to your mind. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us. We are here to help you, and we look forward to helping you start this wonderful journey. Thank you.